Enable.
Enable. To make it possible for somebody/something to do something. For example, this new program will enable older people to study at college. Encourage. To give somebody support, courage or hope. For example, encourage somebody.
Encouragement. The act of encouraging somebody to do something, something that encourages somebody. For example, a few words of encouragement. Encouraging. That gives somebody support, courage or hope. For example, this month's unemployment figures are not very encouraging. Endorsement. A public statement or action showing that you support somebody/something. For example, the election victory is a clear endorsement of their policies.
Enemy.
Enemy. A person who hates somebody or who acts or speaks against somebody/something. For example, she didn't have an enemy in the world.
Engage. To succeed in attracting and keeping somebody's attention and interest. For example, it is a movie that engages both the mind and the eye.
Engaged.
Engaged. Having agreed to marry somebody. For example, when did you get engaged? Engagement. An agreement to marry somebody, the period during which two people are engaged. For example, their engagement was announced in the local paper.
Enhance.
Enhance. To increase or further improve the good quality, value, or status of somebody/something. For example, this is an opportunity to enhance the reputation of the company.
Enough. To the necessary degree. For example, I hadn't trained enough for the game. Enough. To the necessary degree. For example, I hadn't trained enough for the game.